an African queen. Just me, true beauty's from within. Keep the body real, no sniff, sniff, no shot that me. Want the long trip, trip. I'm an African queen.
What is this magic?
I
need that magic.
Everywhere you go is the main attraction. Your yarn shows a house to be a mansion. When you're on the road, it is a distraction. All the things you wear are the latest fashion. See your yarn so big, wonder how you function.
Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. If you would like to see how I decorated these bottles and made this into a fun little birthday project, please stay tuned. For little tower things that I'm using, these are actually cupcake stands, and I got them off of Amazon, and I'll link them down below in my description. And I got these little boa things off of eBay, and they came from China, and so it took a while for me to get. I got a good amount for the price, and I paid about $1 for each color. As you can see, you also need a hot glue gun, and the first thing I started doing was gluing the boa pieces to the actual cupcake stand. So I started with the first layer being pink, and then the second layer is going to be black, and then the third layer is going to be pink again. So I'm going to go ahead and just kind of fast forward this part because it's pretty self-explanatory, so just continue to watch.
Make us spend the large amounts. My baby come and take, make we run away. It be like you go, that be gal I'm say. Girl, your heartbeat be my anthem. Girl, you know me need your survival. Give you the queen of some wonder arrival. Rose petals at your feet, cards while you sleep. You ain't gotta be lonely. Set your body free, zoning. I go show you how we do the Ghana way. Being with me, I go keep the bad away. See them other girls, they mad away. Feed you well, make you laugh away. Them no feel us together, them go see us together.
Gonna bounce, over Giddy and Joe, cause you gonna bounce. Gonna bounce, cause you gonna bounce. Over Giddy and Joe, cause you gonna bounce. Gonna bounce, over Giddy and Joe, cause you gonna bounce. Gonna bounce, over Giddy and Joe.
So the materials that you're going to be needing for this is, of course, the mini bottles. I got all of these from my local liquor store. You also need whatever color of glitter that you would prefer, and I actually got mine from Walmart, and they were about $2 per color. And also the glue that I used to paint over these bottles was the Elmers school glue, and it was the clear one. The brush I was using is actually an old eyeshadow brush. It'd probably be easier because it's smaller and the bottles are really small, so I was able to get in between the little corners, but you can use whatever brush that you want. I started off by painting the bottles with the glue, and I tried to go pretty quickly so that the glue wouldn't dry. So right after you finish putting the glue on the bottles, you just take the glitter, whatever color that you're using, and you just sprinkle it all over the bottle.
Everywhere you go is the main attraction. Your yarn shows a house to be a mansion. When you're on the road, it is a distraction. All the things you wear are the latest fashion. See your yarn so big.
And right here, I took a Q-tip and I wiped around where the label is because there was glitter on there. I didn't put any glue there because I didn't want to cover up the label. And then once you shake off all of the excess glitter, the sealant that I used was Podge, but I personally didn't like it. I used it for the first few bottles that I put glitter on, and then I actually found this glitter sealant from Walmart. I'll put the information down below in the description.
I for stay all night, but I got to bounce.
Gonna bounce.
So right here, I'm gonna do another bottle, and I'll go ahead and speed it up.
Gonna bounce. Cause you gonna bounce, over Giddy and Joe, cause you gonna bounce. Gonna bounce, over Giddy and Joe, cause you gonna bounce. Gonna bounce, over Giddy and Joe. Over Giddy and Joe, cause you gonna bounce.
a drug, girl, the way you gonna bounce. Nah, nah, man, make us spend the large amounts. My baby come and take, make we run away. It be like you go, that be gal I'm say. Girl, your heartbeat be my anthem.
Alrighty, so here we are done. This is probably like a fourth of the bottles that I decorated, but depending on how many towers you have, you would have to just kind of figure out how many mini bottles that you want. But this overall, this was a fun little project and I really did enjoy it. I did this for my sister's 21st birthday. I hope I explained all of this well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
Gonna bounce, over qui dit un jour que j'ai gonna bounce.